11th one. Earth's magnetic induction at a certain point is 7 into 10 raised to minus 5 Weber per meter square. This is annulled by means cancelled by. This is annulled by, annulled means cancelled. Means cancelled. This cancelled by, annulled means cancelled by B at center of circular coil of radius 5 centimeter. Then what is current? To cancel anything, I require equal and opposite. This B is cancelled by B at center. So can I say their magnitude should be same?
Yes, sir.
So B must be same as B at center of coil. Hello? So B is same as B at center of coil. That means 7 into 10 raised to minus 5 is mu naught I upon 2 times radius. Till this followed now? I think only tough task was what is meaning of NL now? Hello? Hello?
Sir,
Huh?
sir, yesterday you sent a sheet from like magnetism CW plus homework, right?
That only I'm talking about.
Sir, 11th sum is different there.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
1 minute, I did this only, I sent.
So you sent the magnetism sheet.
This is from my home, which I have sent, that only I have written.
So the first sum is, could you just say?
No, sorry, an electron moving it is given. Sorry. 11th is given an electron moving. ना ये homework वाला कर दिया मैंने 11th लगता है. Magnetism homework भी है ना आगे. So 11th. Oh, by mistake I did that homework.
वो दो अलग अलग है.
हाँ, एक होमवर्क है, क्लास वर्क है. मैंने गलती से होमवर्क वाला ओपन कर दिया पेज. ठीक है. तो ये तो आपको फर्स्ट वाला राइट गया परफेक्टली राइट. दैट ओनली यू डूड आई हैव डन इन द क्लास. करेक्ट. नाउ इन दिस 11th यू वांट ना एन इलेक्ट्रॉन. करेक्ट. अरे अवान, किसको नहीं आया ये? अवान आपको नहीं आया ये?
यस सर.
क्या बात कर रहे हो बेटा? इलेक्ट्रॉन मूविंग इन सर्कुलर ऑर्बिट, तो डाइपोल मोमेंट बताया ना आपको मैंने, EV/2. नहीं मालूम है ये?
हाँ सर, अभी ट्राई आउट.
अभी V का मतलब क्या? 2 pi R upon time period ना?
Yeah sir.
Now I think you will get.
Yeah sir.
This is E into pi into R square upon T. That is option C. Second, what you all got? Second one.
20 ammeter. Option A.
5 centimeter to magnetic length 5. Option A. No, it is not correct.
It's option D.
एक मिनट सॉल्व कर देता हूँ. Second one, magnetic length 2L is 5 centimeter, which will be 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 meter, and magnetic moment is 2 ampere meter square, is cut into 2 equal pieces perpendicular to the magnetic axis. तो ये axis cut हो गया. The pole strength of each piece will be same. Pole strength of each piece is how much they are telling. By cutting it perpendicular, pole strength of each piece will be how much? Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
See, M formula is 2Lm original before cutting. So 2 equals to 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 into M. That means 2 upon 5 into 10 raised to minus 2 is m. So this is 200 upon 5 equal to 40 ampere meter, correct? Correct ना?
Yes.
अभी जब भी कट किया तो ये पोल को कुछ फर्क पड़ा क्या? So after cutting also it will remain 40 only. When it is cut perpendicular, then length will become half, not the pole strength, na?
Yes, sir.
So answer will be pole strength will remain same as original, which is 40. That means correct answer is D. Correct answer D. Then third one, what you all got? Third.
Option B.
Third one you got SB. Let me check. Closely wound coil of 100 tons, area this much. Correct. NIA formula, correct?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
What answer you got? B, na?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Fourth one,
C.
dipole moment of magnetic
Formula
length.
based.
Formula based, yes. But 8 centimeter converted into meter?
18 10 to minus 2.
Correct. So what answer you managed to get?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer of fourth one? Answer what you got? Fourth one?
C.
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 Correct. Fifth what you got? Fifth one, anybody got the answer?
A.
A.
A. Yes. I think I had done this in last year, correct?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा.
Yes.
See, बहुत लोग भूल गए रहेंगे. This is two dipole, angle is 60. So south to north one dipole, south to north another dipole. All both are identical, so same dipole moment. Angle is 120. So two vectors are of same magnitude, angle 120. Result will remain same, correct now?
Yes, sir.
Therefore it is A. Sixth got the answer. Isolated magnetic pole is fictitious entity A. I think this all I have done in 11th. When magnet is heated, what will happen? It will
Lose its
lose the
magnetism.
magnetism. What about eighth one? Thin bar magnet of length 2L is bent at midpoint. Angle between them is 60. Then new length. Got this answer?
Yes, sir.
What is the answer?
D.
B.
B, root 3L. 2L is bent at 60 degree. So I need to check everybody's book in the week. So I will just post on the group which day whose book will be corrected. That students will be waiting in after the lecture. 8 students will wait after the lecture. Next week onwards, I will start this process because I feel many of you are not working. Length is 2L, bent in middle at 60 degree. So this will be LL. Two sides are equal. Angle is 60. That means it becomes equilateral triangle. So short distance, this and this is south and north pole, which is called magnetic length, will be L. Correct? Same answer you got? Yes, same answer. D.
Sir.
Ninth, in case of bar magnet, lines of magnetic induction starts from north, end in south. Wrong. It runs continuously through the bar and outside. Option B is perfectly right. 10th one, wrong one we have to check. It is not possible to separate magnetic poles. Correct. Magnetic moment is a vector quantity. Correct. Unit of dipole moment is ampere meter square. Correct. Direction of dipole is from north to south is incorrect. It is from south to north. And 11th just now I did, it is C option. Now 12th you all got? 12th?
Yes, sir.
12th. What is the answer of 12th? Important sum.
Option D.
Sir, D.
Two coils of 3 and 6 are equivalent to magnetic dipole having equal dipole moment. Current through the coil is option D, you're saying, correct?
Yes, sir.
Because area will become pi r square because of that, na?
Yes, sir.
Magnetic dipole moment of first is same as second. So NIA is NIA, I1 A1 I2 A2 टर्न्स नहीं है, कैंसिल कर दो. So ratio of current through the coil are in the ratio I1 upon I2 is pi R2 square upon pi R1 square. That is R2 6 upon 3 the whole square, which is 2 upon 1 square. 4:1. Option D. 12th one, option D is correct one. 13th got answer? थोड़ा fast बोलो. 13th.
Sir, it is
Yes,
A.
sir.
13th A is correct. All of you got the answer. 13th.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
14th
Sir, A.
Yes, sir.
A.
A. All if you not get then please tell. 15th.
Not got.
Sir, not got.
अच्छा 15 देखते हैं. 15th. Adjacent figure shows a rectangular coil of n turn and area A. Current is flowing like this. This is B in XZ plane, making angle 30 with X. Here it is fixed along Y axis. The magnitude and direction of torque. What is formula for torque?
B, sir.
M B sine theta, correct?
Yes.
So it is N I A B sine 30, correct?
Yes.
Because M will be perpendicular. ये M का डायरेक्शन होएगा, perpendicular to the plane. ये B का डायरेक्शन है, तो एंगल 60 आएगा ना. Between M and B, what is angle? 60, not 30.
Yes, sir.
NIAB root 3 by 2, where it is given in two option. अभी डायरेक्शन देखते हैं. This we follow no Y60. M is perpendicular to the plane of coil. So XY का perpendicular Z. So this two के बीच का angle M and B is 60 ना.
Yes, sir.
Now direction. Torque tau bar is M bar cross B bar. M is along which direction? Current is clockwise. Inward or outward? Current clockwise. What is direction of M? Clock means in na.
Inward.
So minus K
Inward.
cap. And B is along parallel to X. So I cap. Okay. Hello.
Yes.
What is K cross I?
A.
Huh? K cross I?
J.
J.
K cross I is J. बराबर है. Plus J क्या minus J?
Plus.
Plus.
Plus J.
ये plus इधर minus is the minus J.
Minus Y axis.
No, negative, no? Negative y axis. Minus J,
minus Y.
negative y axis. So negative y axis. So our answer is C. Still anybody who has not followed? Yes, anybody who has not followed? Hello, anybody who has not followed?
Followed, sir.
Okay,
Followed.
correct. Karan Bora? Hello, Karan?
Yes.
By doing MCQs, what help we get? You will be the best person to tell because you gave some entrance exam right now. Yes, Karan? If we solve MCQs, what help it gives us in any type of exam?
So practice and speed.
Speed, yes. Then thought process, logical thinking increases, no?
Yes, sir.
So this will be advantage whether you do give physics or you give logical reasoning exam, arithmetic exam. By doing MCQs, our thought process changes a lot. And by doing theory, we become rectified. This Sunday's test will be slightly difficult for you all because it is combo of 4 chapters. And all unseen questions will be there. Not concept wise, but may not be same as what we have done. One to 25 first we have to discuss, then we'll start with today's work. Please be fast.
Done, sir.
16th one. 16th one got the answer? Yes, 16th got the
Yes,
answer.
sir.
No, sir.
No, अरे
Formula based.
हाँ फॉर्मूला बेस्ड है, कैसा नहीं आया? देखो, मैग्नेटिक मोमेंट induction due to short dipole of moment 4 root 13 ampere meter square at a distance of 1 meter from the center. So R is 1 meter along the line making angle 60 degree with the vertical. 60 degree with the vertical बोला है. So with axis it will be 30 degree. Theta is 60 degree with vertical. So therefore with axis theta will become 30 degree. This is what we want. What is formula for B? Is mu naught upon 4 pi m upon r cube root of 3 cos square theta plus 1. So 10 raised to minus 7. M is 4 root 13 upon distance r1 root of 3 cos square theta is cos square 30 plus 1, which is 4 root 13 into 10 raised to minus 7. 3 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2 square plus 1. So 4 root 13 into 10 raised to minus 7 root 3 into 3 by 4 plus 1. So this will become 4 root 13 into 10 raised to minus 7. 9 upon 4. When you add it will be root 13 upon 4. So 4 into root 13 into 13 is 13. 10 raised to minus 4. Root 4 is 2. That means it is 26 into 10 raised to minus 7. Chance of mistake was angle wala part. Once you are done, then please say. Done, no?
Yes, sir.
17th got the answer? Same, it is continuation. Avan, 17th, what is the answer?
Option D.
Angle, if you take 30, half of tan inverse 30, 30 is root 1 by root 3. D नहीं ना, B आएगा ना. See,
You solve once.
17th, tan of alpha is half tan theta. So tan of alpha is half tan 30. Therefore, tan alpha is half into tan 31 by root 3. Alpha is tan inverse of 1 upon 2 root 3. B option.
It's making angle 60 degree, right?
No, with vertical 60, na? So with axis
Horizontal.
it was 30 we took, na?
Yeah, got it.
मैग्नेटिज्म और मैग्नेटिक इफेक्ट एक्चुअली खतरनाक चैप्टर है. Done 17th. Tell me 18th answer. You got 18th?
Also, could you solve?
Yes. Short magnet of length. So actually ना it is short magnet of geometric length. इसलिए शायद नहीं आ रहेगा आप लोगों को. और if you take 2L as 6 centimeter, चलो इससे ही करते हैं. Pole strength as 0.8 ampere meter. .8 ampere meter. Magnitude of magnetic induction, that means B, at distance of 2 meter from the center of magnet on equator. So B equator we want. B equator is mu naught upon 4 pi m upon r cube. Mu naught upon 4 pi 2 Lm upon r cube. 10 raised to minus 7 into 6 into 10 raised to minus 2 into 0.8. R is 2 cube. 6 into 10 raised to minus 9, 8 into 10 raised to minus 1 upon 8. 8 will get cancelled. 6 into 10 raised to minus 10. That is closest to B option. So therefore we will take B. Actually they should have written, which they have not. If geometric length is 6, then geometric length 6, magnetic is 6 upon 5. Geometric 6 cancel होके 5 आएगा, तो answer 5 हो जाएगा. But not given clear cut. I took magnetic length, but this is the only closest one. Actually they should have been provided there. Short magnet of magnetic length, geometric length. 19th, many of you might not have got the answer, and those who have done electrostatic perfectly, they would have got the answer. Chalo, 18th done. Tell me fast. 19th, how many of you got the answer? Correct answer is B. Anybody got that answer? Yes, Pranjali got the answer. Arya, Isha, Neha. Didn't got 19th one. Some number 19th you could not get. Yes, Avan, you got 19th. Pranjali, Neha, Nandani, anybody got? Tirtha, Anay, Sandesh, Rajvardhan, anybody got the answer 19?
No, sir.
Okay. चलो रीड करो संदेश, रीड करो जरा जोर से, फास्ट फास्ट फास्ट, जोर से रीड करो. राजवर्धन यू रीड, संदेश फुसकी है पूरा.
Sir, I am using mobile phone.
हाँ, so you can't tell, that means you will get disconnected, you are saying, if you say from that. Okay.
No, sir, if I will change the slide, then I will not able to speak.
Okay. आर्यन बागवे, आपको क्लास के बाद रुकना है थोड़ा. आर्यन बागवे, आपका एक्स्ट्रा क्लास है आज. आर्यन बागवे, read that
Yes.
sum 19th.
Yes, sir.
Yes, you read. Read louder.
Yes, sir.
Arey read Baba. So much time you are taking to read it. That means you don't have the set question set in front of you.
Sir, actually, I'm on phone. There's some problem with my laptop.
You tell me, how will you understand this sum if you don't see the question?
Sir, I have the question.
So
The
read now that question.
The magnetic field at a point due to dipole is perpendicular to dipole axis. The angle between dipole axis and the line joining the point with the center of the dipole is.
So if I read carefully and draw the diagram, then I will understand. Magnetic field, यानी कि B, at a point due to dipole is perpendicular to dipole axis. So magnetic field at some point, it is perpendicular to dipole axis. This is that field. At some point is perpendicular to dipole axis. Very difficult sum. The angle between dipole axis and line joining point with the center, मतलब ये angle, dipole axis and line joining point will be how much? Now diagram followed after reading the question. Magnetic field at any point due to dipole, वो किधर भी हो सकता है point, मतलब on line joining center and P. उधर field is perpendicular to the axis बोला, so I have drawn perpendicular to the axis. Yes, Neha, Pranjali, Isha, Arya,
Yes, sir.
followed.
Yes, sir.
This angle is denoted by alpha, so this will be alpha. Can I say alpha plus theta is 90?
Yes, sir.
What is tan alpha, Karan Vora relation? Tan alpha, it is half tan theta. Karan, I'm right?
Yes, sir.
Anay,
Yes, sir.
in place of alpha, can you write 90 minus theta?
Yes.
So this is nothing but half tan theta. That means cot of theta is half tan theta. 1 upon tan theta is half tan theta. Therefore, tan square theta is 2. Therefore, tan theta is root 2. Therefore, theta is tan inverse of root 2. This is the answer. Now I think you followed.
Done, sir.
Okay. Sum number 20. Twentieth sum. Got the answer? 20. Two short bar magnets, identical, are fastened at right angle as shown. North pole, south pole, south pole, north pole. This is point P, O, 45 degree. So dipole moment for first one will be south to north. This is M. South to north, this is M. What will be the magnetic field at distance R from O? A distance R from O. So two dipole M and M, its resultant dipole moment will be root 2m. Am I correct?
Yes.
So can I consider there is one dipole whose dipole moment is root 2m, which is the result of these two dipole first and second.
Yes, sir.
So where is P now? Is it on axis of resultant dipole?
Yeah.
Yes.
P lies on axis of resultant dipole of moment. How much? Root 2m.
2m.
Root 2m. So therefore, can I say B will be mu naught upon 4 pi root 2m into 2 upon r cube?
Yes, sir.
This is the answer. Just check it is there. Root 2m upon r cube. Yes. Option B. No, sorry. 2 root 2, option C. All are beautiful sums what we are doing.
Done, sir.
Okay. Next sum.
Twenty-one doubt.
21. Na? Ek minute. I'm just opening PDF once again. It got disconnected. 21. Twenty-one. 21. Na? Huh. Magnetic induction at point R comma theta. In maths, anybody has studied polar coordinates? Have you
Yes.
studied? Okay. Polar coordinate means at distance on a line making angle. Na? So
Yes.
there is point R comma theta on a line making angle theta with horizontal at distance r due to short dipole is B, and at distance of 2r comma theta, it will be how much? Correct now? So is the angle same?
Yes, sir.
So can I say B is inversely proportional to r cube? So this will be r2 upon r1 the whole cube. So B upon B2 is 2r upon r the whole cube. So B2 will be B upon 8. Option C. B upon 8.
Done, sir.
Then 22.
What, sir?
What is the answer of 22?
Option D.
Option D. At equator, it will be half that of the axis. Option D. Correct. 23rd got the answer. Direct formula.
Yes, sir.
What is the answer of 23rd?
Option C.
Correct. C option is correct. Root of 5 by 2 into 10 raised to minus 4. 24th continuation. Yes, what is 24th? Say fast. What is 24th? So much time you are taking to tell the answer. 24th. Hello, 24th. Yes, 24th. Answer. Aman. What is the answer of 24th?
Option C.
C. 25th. 25th, what is the answer? Distance between poles of horseshoe magnet. Distance between poles of horseshoe magnet is 4 centimeter. The pole strength of each is 40 unit. The magnetic potential midway between the pole. Magnetic potential midway between the pole. What is formula for electric potential? Electric potential formula from a charge q. 1 upon 4 pi epsilon q by r square na. So magnetic potential will be mu naught upon 4 pi m upon distance square. Hello. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Q by
Yes,
R,
sir.
right?
Q by r, yes. M by r. तो मिडवे बोला है, एक पॉजिटिव होएगा, एक निगेटिव होएगा. साउथ पोल निगेटिव, नॉर्थ पोल पॉजिटिव. तो नेट व्हाट इट इज 0 ना. मिडवे
Yes, sir.
0, पॉजिटिव का प्लस, निगेटिव का माइनस, net zero. Answer is 0. Zero units. C. Now till 25th I have explained you. तो आपका ट्यूसडे तक का इतना ही था शायद ना, 25th तक. हेलो,
Yes.
Yes, sir.
चलो अभी नया चैप्टर, पहला प्लानर तो दे दिया है, नया चैप्टर स्टार्ट करता हूँ. In your college they have started chapter called rotational dynamics,
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
and any exam they have told, because EMI AC I will be able to complete by August 15th. Before that any exam is there?
Yes, sir.
कभी है एग्जाम? August 15 का पहला है college exam?
Sir, dates are not given.
No, but month they told, when? August, September, when?
August 1st.
Sir, in this last week.
Acha, then we cannot take risk. I will start with rotational dynamics chapter number 1. And after completing rotational dynamics, I will go to EMI and AC. Rotational dynamics, right. थोड़ा 11th का continuation वाला ये. What is meaning of static?
At least.
Rest. And dynamic means?
Motion.
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 So rotational dynamic means which motion you will talk about? Rotational.
Rotation.
Yes.
Yes. Whenever body is rotating, it is applied with force. That force produces turning effect. Correct, na?
Yes.
So if this is one rigid body fixed at a point and I apply force, then it will produce turning effect and body will rotate anti-clockwise depending upon where the force is applied. To rotate, what we give to the body?
Force.
That force produces torque.
Yes, sir.
So we apply torque. What is formula for torque? RF, na?
R bar into.
Where R is perpendicular distance, RF. Vector form है R bar cross F bar. To translate what we give body? Force, correct? Force का formula M में,
में.
तो torque का formula R M में हो जाएगा फिर तो, है ना?
Yes, sir.
Okay. A is R alpha for circular motion. We have proved in chapter called circular motion. Tangential acceleration is R alpha. याद आ रहा है? Yes, anybody is remembering? Tangential acceleration R alpha. हाँ या ना, बोलो ना.
Can't recall.
अच्छा, well, be frank. Can you recall this V is R omega?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what will be dV by dt? R into d omega by dt, na?
Yeah.
This is called
Acceleration.
tangential acceleration, and d omega by dt is angular acceleration. So A tangential क्या मिला? R alpha ना?
Yeah, sir.
Okay, now you are able to recollect.
Yes.
देखो ये 11th का कनेक्शन वाला चैप्टर है, इसलिए किधर भी आपको कुछ डाउट लगा बोलना, मैं रफ में बता दूंगा. So torque is mr square alpha. That means if body is in translation motion, then we give force. Rotational motion we give torque. दोनों एक दूसरे का comparison वाला quantity है. Both are producing motion. One straight line, other rotational. A is acceleration in straight line. This is acceleration in circular motion. तो A का काम, अल्फा का काम सेम, to produce the acceleration. T and F का काम same to produce motion. तो ये coefficient m और ये coefficient mr square का भी काम same होना चाहिए क्या नहीं?
Yes, sir.
What is mass m? Anybody knows concept of mass m? Mass m is measure of inertia, correct or not? If I am wrong, tell. Are you able to recollect? Mass is measure of inertia, correct?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Yes. And what is inertia? Tendency to maintain state of rest or uniform motion in a straight line. So mass is equivalent to inertia in translation motion. Mr square is equivalent to inertia in rotational motion. So rotational motion wala inertia is called as moment of inertia. Rotational motion wala force is called moment of force. So rotational motion wala inertia is called as what? Moment of inertia.
Moment of inertia.
And that is nothing but what? Mr square or not?
Yeah, sir.
Okay. तो अभी मैं चैप्टर का स्टार्ट करता हूं फ्रॉम मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया. सिंपल चैप्टर, खाली क्या एक दूसरे से लिंक्ड है, मतलब एक डेरिवेशन इफ यू फॉरगेट ना यू विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड द अदर. सो अवर रोटेशनल डायनामिक, फर्स्ट हेडिंग मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया. प्लीज राइट दिस. Today evening you all are free? 9 to 10 or 10 to 11? Which time you are free?
So 9 to 10.
9 to 10 you all are free because I have to keep many extra lecture now till August 15.
15.
9:15 done. 9:15 who is saying?
Avan.
Avan, हाँ चलेगा. Today 9:15 to 10 extra class for you all. And this rotational dynamics only I will continue, not the doubt solving.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, beta.
So actually, I have the doctor's appointment in the evening.
What time?
So 5, 6, but it is far away. It's moving over.
If you don't return back, doctor's appointment you are saying, na?
Yeah.
If you don't return back by 9:15, I will cancel the lecture. So I will confirm before starting with you. ठीक है?
Yes, sir.
चलो. Now we'll write moment of inertia. It is defined as mr square means product of mass and square of distance. Hello.
Yes.
So it's defined as product of masses because there can be many particles of a rigid body. It is defined as product of masses and squares of their distances from axis of rotation. It is defined as sum of product of masses and squares of their distances from axis of rotation. Sum of product of masses and squares of their distances from axis of rotation. Let m1 comma m2 dot 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 comma mn be n particles be masses of n particles of rigid body. Let R1, R2 up to Rn be their distances from axis of rotation. Okay, please copy till this, then we'll move ahead.
Done, sir.
Okay, everybody has done till last line?
Yes.
Yes.
Therefore, moment of inertia denoted by I is m1 r1 square plus m2 r2 square up to mn rn square. That will give summation of mi ri square. Its SI unit is kg meter square. Its dimension is m1 l2 t0. Sorry.
Done, sir.
Done. 1 minute. Huh? So we got formula for moment of inertia, summation of mi r square, which is nothing but similar to mass. Mass is tendency to maintain state of rest. This is tendency to maintain state of rest or rotational motion uniformly. Obtain expression for rotational kinetic energy. How many chapters are in the exam and which chapters that you know? Portion of the exam?
Only 2 chapters for
Which
current.
two?
The waves and this rotation.
ओ अच्छा हो गया, तो उसके बहाने अपना ये 2 चैप्टर फास्ट हो जाएगा, मस्त, मतलब ज्यादा लेक्चर लेके हो जाएगा. Obtain expression for rotational kinetic energy. What is translation kinetic energy? It is half m omega
Half mv square.
अभी half m का analogous is I, means comparable. V का omega, so half I omega square I should get as rotational kinetic energy. Let us see whether we'll get or not.
Like we should always compare, right?
If you forget, if you don't forget, you can remember directly. Comparison wala, mass becomes I, force becomes torque, V becomes omega, theta A becomes alpha, displacement becomes theta. This way we can compare. Heading written. Draw this diagram. This is one rigid body rotating about an axis passing through O.
Yes, sir.
M1 is one particle, suppose. M2 is another particle. Dot, dot, dot. Mn is nth particle. M1, M2, M3, dot, dot, dot. This is distance R1, R2, R3, Rn. When body rotates, it will perform rotational motion. Rotational motion along this circle. Matlab M wala will move like this, M2 will move like this, Mn will move like this. This is the meaning. It will perform rotational motion. Velocity is V1 along tangent. This will be V2 along tangent. This will be V3 along tangent. And this will be Vn along tangent. Draw this much diagram.
Done, sir.
Okay. Now see, let's start. 1 minute, huh?
Hello, sir.
हाँ, चलो. We have drawn the diagram. See, consider a rigid body rotating about an axis. Consider a rigid body rotating about an axis, passing through center O. Rigid body rotating about passing through center O with uniform angular velocity omega. Let m1 m2 dot 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 up to mn be masses of n particles of rigid body. Let r1 r2 dot 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 up to rn be their distances from axis of rotation. All particles performs rotational motion with same angular velocity omega, but different linear velocities. Same angular velocity but different linear velocities. Same angular followed, na? When you turn the body, all particle will turn by same angle. So same angular velocity. And linear velocity depends upon r. हर एक का distance from center is different. So different linear velocities. Shall I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Huh? 1 second.
Yes.
Let v1, v2 dot 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 up to vn be velocities of n particles. Therefore v1 equal to r1 omega, v2 equals to r2 omega dot 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 up to vn equals to rn omega. Let e1 e2 up to en be the velocity kinetic energies of n particles. Therefore E1 equals to half m1 v1 square which is half m1 r1 omega square, that is half m1 r1 square omega square. E2 equal to half m2 v2 square, which is half m2 r2 omega the whole square. So m2 r2 square omega square dot dot dot. En equal to half mn into vn square. So half mn Rn omega square, half mn Rn square omega square. Complete till this.
Done, sir.
Therefore, resultant kinetic energy, comma E is E1 plus E2 up to En. Half m1 r1 square omega square dot 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 half mn Rn square omega square. Half omega square m1 r1 square plus m2 r2 square up to mn Rn square. So E equals to half omega square summation of mi ri square. But summation of mi ri square equals to moment of inertia I. Therefore, E equals to half I omega square. This is expression for rotational kinetic energy. Yes, completed full.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So that's all for today. Rotational dynamics will complete in 5 lectures. Today was first. 4 more lectures are required. So extra lecture you followed now. When we are going to keep extra